How did tropical and sidereal years affect ancient calendar systems? Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations kept track of time? The answer lies in their understanding of tropical and sidereal years. These two concepts shaped their calendar systems in fascinating ways. The tropical year is about 365.20 for 22 solar days. It measures the time it takes for the sun to return to the same position relative to the Earth's seasons. This is vital for agricultural societies, as it helps them plan when to plant and harvest crops. For example, the Egyptian calendar was closely linked to the annual flooding of the Nile, which depended on seasonal cycles. On the other hand, the sidereal year lasts about 365.2560 for solar days. It measures the Earth's orbit around the sun relative to fixed stars. This year is slightly longer than the tropical year by about 20 minutes. The sidereal year focuses on the position of the Earth concerning distant stars rather than the changing seasons. The difference between these 2 years comes from a phenomenon called the precession of the equinoxes. This slow wobble in the Earth's rotational axis causes the position of the equinoxes to shift over a cycle of roughly 25,772 years. Because of this precession, the tropical year is shorter than the sidereal year. Each year, the sun reaches the vernal equinox point slightly earlier compared to the fixed stars. From an archaeological viewpoint, this difference had significant effects on ancient calendar systems. Calendars based on the tropical year kept in sync with the seasons. This alignment was essential for agriculture, religious festivals, and social events. Some ancient cultures, like the Babylonians and Mayans, focused more on sidereal measurements. They tracked the positions of stars and constellations, which were crucial for astrology, navigation, and ceremonial practices. However, calendars based solely on sidereal years would gradually drift from the seasons. This drift required periodic adjustments to realign civil calendars with seasonal events. The Julian and later Gregorian calendar reforms were responses to these discrepancies, refining the length of the calendar year to better match the tropical year. Ancient astronomers, such as Hipparchus in the 2nd century before the Common Era, first measured the subtle difference between tropical and sidereal years. Their observations reflected advanced skills in astronomy. By understanding these cycles, ancient societies developed sophisticated timekeeping systems that integrated both solar and stellar cycles. In essence, ancient calendar systems were shaped by the need to balance the tropical year, which governs seasonal cycles, with the sidereal year, which relates to fixed stars. This interplay influenced calendar design, accuracy, and necessary adjustments, showcasing the connection between astronomy and daily life in ancient times.